Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, where we talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. Today's video, we're going to take you to Lake Ozark Harley-Davidson for the Stars and Stripes Bike Show, July 3rd. We're also going to stop by Leathermans and the Icehole, two of our favorite places at the Lake of the Ozarks. All right, so we got Mr. Ozark HD Riders.
I'll leave them on.
And Mrs. Ozark HD Riders. We met them up here at the lake for bike night, but turns out they have never been to Leathermans. So we're gonna pop his cherry. Oh, snap. Yeah, snap. So, if you guys don't know what Leathermans is at Lake of the Ozarks, we'll show you some B-roll, but if you're ever up here, you've got to go to Leathermans. Leatherman's is filled with bike-related merchandise, such as leather hair ties, leather gloves, beautifully designed knives, they carry sunglasses and leather wallets, and clothing items such as the official Bike Fest t-shirts and patches, along with other Harley-related items such as novelty trucks, coffee cups, belt buckles. They also carry a large assortment of rain gear, and their shelves are filled with leather saddlebags and motorcycle luggage systems. They have racks and racks of leather vests, coats, and chaps in all shapes and sizes. They even stock Daytona helmets, from skull caps to full face helmets. And they have a large selection of biker boots as well. They have a very large selection of patches, which can be sewn on right here at the Leatherman store. I personally don't let anyone sew on my vest except for Leathermans, because they do such outstanding work. All right, Dan, what do you think after your first trip to Leatherman?
They got a lot of cool stuff up here, I do know that.
You'll be back, huh?
We'll be back.
Oh yeah.
Hook up your...
All right, so we're going to take Dan to another place here at the lake that we like to go visit. It's called the Icehole. It's a bar a friend of ours owns. So we're going to go in and check it out.
The Icehole.
The Icehole. It's a hot day. Where else would you rather be on a hot day than the Icehole?
Get a drink at the Icehole.
And with that, we're out. The Icehole has your traditional beer and whiskey beverages, but they specialize in frozen concoctions to help keep you cool in the hot summer months at the Lake of the Ozarks. It's also a very patriotic bar owned by a couple friends of ours. We love to hang out here in the summer when we're at the lake. All right, well, we've made it to Lake of the Ozarks Harley-Davidson for bike night. And check this out. Ozark HDs is here. Mrs. Ozark HDs is here. So they got a bike show. We're gonna look around, see what we can find. April's inside looking at the clearance rack already. That's my girl. All right.
What do they call this?
Stars and something.
Stars and Stripes.
Stars and Stars and Stripes.
Yeah, that's it.
It's kicking off the 4th of July weekend. It's Friday afternoon.
There you go.
So we're gonna go check it out and see what we can find. This white bike is the giveaway raffle bike that they will be doing at Bike Fest this year. And then of course April found a purple Harley in the parking lot that she loved. I was surprised to see several bikes here from Trask Performance out of Phoenix, Arizona. So that Heritage is there behind me is a raffle bike they're selling tickets on, and April bought some tickets for that. So when are they doing the giveaway?
September 19th.
So they'll be doing the giveaway during Bike Fest, so I guess you'll have to wait for that video to find out if she wins. What do you think, man? Are you ready to ride?
Oh yeah. Pretty soon, huh?
This very patriotic painted bike was done by a shop very close to my home. It's a beautiful bike and a tribute to our country and those who serve it. This Heritage belongs to a friend of ours. She took home a trophy for it. We had another friend who also got a trophy for his motorcycle in the show. All right, well, we're getting ready to leave here from bike night. Clouds are rolling in, the rain's starting to roll in, people are starting to roll out. I think we're gonna head toward the house. Till next time, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, subscribe down below if you like my content. Hit that bell to be notified the next time I put out a new video. And as always, thank you for your support. Stay safe and keep on riding. Well, this is what we didn't want to ride the bike through, what we were afraid was coming. Sure enough, we've got flash flooding in the highways. Wipers are on high. We'll get home. It's not in a hurry. I'm doing 40 in a
55, 60 mile an hour area.